For married couples living in a certain suburb, the probability that the husband will vote on a referendum is 0.23. So let H be the event that husband votes. And YW is the event that wife votes. Okay, so then you have probability H is equal to 0.23. Probability wife is 0.29. And probability that both husband and wife vote is 0.17. What is the probability at least one member of a married couple votes? So probability husband or wife is the same as probability at least one. So that's probability of husband plus probability of wife minus probability of husband and wife by addition rule. And husband is 0.23 plus 0.29 minus 0.17. That's 0.35. What's the probability that wife will vote given that the husband will vote? So probability wife given husband, that will be done by the conditional probability rule. So probability wife and husband divided by probability husband. So that's 0.17 over 0.23. So the fraction is 17 by 23. What's the probability that a husband will vote given that the wife will not vote? So husband given wife complement. So husband, so because W is the event that the wife votes, so W complement will be the event that the wife doesn't vote. So that according to our conditional probability formula would be husband and wife complement divided by probability wife complement. So we don't know any of the things on the right hand side. We will find them one by ones. The easier one is the probability of wife complement. The probability wife doesn't vote is the complement of the probability that the wife votes. So 1 minus BW, so that's 1 minus 0.29, so that's 0.71. Now for the other one, the husband, probability of husband and wife not voting. So for this, we look at the Venn diagram. So let's say the left circle is for the husband, and the right circle is for the wife. And this one is husband and wife because that's a common part. And so this intersection represents husband and wife both voting. This left part represents the husband voting and the wife not voting. So this is actually H and wife complement. So we can see that H is composed of H and wife complement, and it's composed of H and wife. So we can say that probability of H equals probability of H and wife complement plus probability of H and wife. So a husband can vote in two scenarios. One scenario is the wife doesn't vote, which is this one, and one scenario is that the wife also votes, which is this one. So from here, probability of husband, we can substitute the values. Husband is 0.23, so you get 0.23 equals husband and wife complement, which is what we are looking for, plus probability of husband and wife, which is given to be 0.29. And from here, we can subtract the well, let's see, husband and wife is 0.17, not 0.29. So when we subtract 0.17 from both sides, we get probability husband and wife complement is equal to 0.06. And now we can substitute here. This one is 0.06. And wife complement was 0.71, which is over here. So it's 6/71. The probability that you are home when a telemarketing representative calls is 0.3. Okay, so and given that you are home, the probability that goods will be bought from the company is 0.2. So there are two things going on, being home and buying goods from the company. So let H be the event of being home. And let's say B is the event of buying goods. So H is the event of being home. And B is the event of buying goods. Okay. So we are given that you are home when telemarketing calls. The probability of being home is 0.3. And probability that goods will be bought from, because given that you are home, probability that goods will be bought is 0.2. So probability of buying given home is 0.2. Find the probability you are home and goods are bought. So probability home and bought is to be found out. So we'll use our conditional probability formula. Probability B given H is equal to probability of B and H divided by probability of H. So we are given that B given H is 0.2. So 0.2 is equal to probability of B and H divided by probability of being home is 0.3. So 0.2 times 0.3 equals probability of BH. This 0.3 gets multiplied on both sides. So 0.2 times 0.3 is 0.06.